nog. 3, 2, 1, go! Ja, maar de Aziaten pakken mooi! Is veel los hier! Helemaal bijna uit! En het sumo gaat er weer in, dankjewel!
Hello and welcome to Dutchman Seb. We're here today at GO Japan at Louwman's Toyota World, and check it out, JDM cars all around. We are in for a treat, guys. Today is gonna be one hell of a Japanese ride. Check it out, guys. Very cool car. Great with the turbo, man. Alright, you guys are in for a treat today. We're at GO Japan here at Louwman's Toyota World. This is the JDM meet of the year. First big JDM meet we've had since COVID hit about 2 years ago. So this is really going to be a treat for you guys. I've got some really great content here for you guys. So if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and definitely subscribe. Check it out, guys. This is going to be an awesome day. Beautiful MX-5 here. Nice Angel Eye headlights. Really cute car. Old Starlet 350Z. FK2 Civic. Beautiful cars here. Hawkeye Subaru. Lexus IS. Some Ballard, some Preludes. You got a Celica here. More Subarus. Bug-Eye. I mean, there's just so many cars here, guys. I'm going to do a walkthrough today. 350Z with butterfly doors. Another MX-5. You got some real special cars here. Silvia S13, Toyota MR2. Another Subaru, another MX-5. Something I haven't seen before. This is a Mitsubishi Celeste 2000. This car is gorgeous. It looks a little bit like the Nissan GTR Hero car from Fast and the Furious movie. It's beautiful. I've never seen this before. Really unique car. I love the color. And the little wing mirrors on the hood. Pretty beautiful. Brown leather interior. This is a Celeste. I've never seen this before. My first time I've seen this. But I think it needs a little bit of an aftermarket exhaust. That thing is tiny, man. Nice roll cage in the MX-5 over here. Beautiful S15. Hawkeye Subaru STI. S13 Silvia, which is for sale here. Real clean, neat S13 Silvia here. No rust in this car. Beautiful, beautiful car. And it's for sale. 23,000 euros. Boom, check it out. So if you want to buy, check out the number there. Boom. 350Z over there. Beautiful colored blue MX-5 over here from Belgium. Nice GT wing mirrors as well. This car looks stunning. Really tuned up Civic Type R. I just love this MX-5 in blue. It's real gorgeous. You can hear the guys coming in here with the music blasting. Check these old Toyotas, man. MR2s are gorgeous. Look at these things, man. Absolutely beautiful.
Yeah.
Now then, Pritzer 370Z, 370Z Nismo.
Low life max.
200 SX.
Nee hoor. De kast heet Low Life Max.
Another Subaru Impreza. MX-5, you got my car over here. And that's just the guys without any club affiliates. So over here behind me is all the guys with club affiliates. So that's going to be even more interesting. And there's a couple more guys in front there that I didn't check out, but more than enough cars here for you guys to check out. I can see my first Supra over there. A lot of guys still coming in the gate, so we're gonna have guys coming in here all morning. I think it's around 11 o'clock this morning. Guys have been coming in here since 9 a.m. So a lot of people here today, so check it out. It's gonna be an awesome day. The Daihatsu material here by the looks of it. Some Civics over here. CRX, Mitsubishi GTO. Let's go have a look down here, see what's showing. That's a beautiful GTO. Another MX-5, Civics, Celicas, more Civics, Subarus. Beautiful GTO, that one. Real nice. MX-5. Got another Supra coming in here in blue, which looks really nice. Trying to see if I can catch that for you guys. Oh, this is Andre, I think. What's up, Andre? How you doing, bro? You good? Nice to see you here, man. Yeah. For sure, dude. Grab a spot. I'll catch up with you guys in a bit, man. Car's looking great. Just had it finished painting in Next Level Automotive. Looks real good, man. There's all the guys pulling in with the Supras. I think that was Robert over there in the front. Man, there's so many cars here today. I'm not going to get to all of them, but I'll try my best, guys. I like that. It's a monster can. Here's another Del Sol. Look at that. Very clean. Very clean indeed. I like the wheels. I'm going to get me some new wheels for mine as well. It's a VTI. Really nice. That's the next thing I want to do, is get a VTI motor for mine with a turbo. Mine is way too slow. Really cool car. What is this? A CRX as well. Beautiful, man. I love that. Check out the scissor doors. Really sweet interior. 8000 redline CRX. Also a VTI B series motor. But this Del Sol is neat, man. Real neat. RX-7. Really sweet. Also very neat. Some guys doing some Rev Battles over here. Man, guys, this is crazy. There's so much content here. I'm going to be walking and filming for hours, I reckon. It's just cars for days. Absolutely for days. It's really cool. S2000, really clean, neat. It looks like a CR. It's got a CR spoiler at the back there. Maybe it's a club racer. There's not many of these in Europe that I've seen. Very neat style, stripped out interior. 370Zs, FK2 Civics, S2000 again.
Omdat Davy zo'n groot hoofd heeft, ja daarom, dat zeg ik. Dat is wel aardig. Het dak kan niet eens dicht ook.
Very cool style GT, GTR 35. Another Mitsubishi GTO. Man, there's just cars here for days, guys. 4 days. I haven't even got to the main event down there. This is crazy, man. There's a really cool R34 down there. Really cool livery there on the vehicle. It's got a Nismo badge, but it doesn't look like a Nismo to me. GTR 34 Racing, guys. It's GTS. I like that one. That's a pretty cool sticker. For sale, call 06, fuck you. Love that. That's great. That's really sweet bumper at the back. Pastel blue Subaru Impreza. Really sweet. MX-5s, 350Zs, more Subarus for days. MX-5 with one headlight popping up, winking at you. It's purple Celica, really cool. It's even a Tesla Model 3 Performance over there. Alright guys, look at this. There's just people and cars. Feels like normal life again, guys. For the first time we're actually out, you know, out with no masks anymore. Everyone's having a good time in the sun. The weather's out today. Even the sun decided to join us. Beautiful 350Z over here. Real nice rims. Stunning big Brembo gold calipers. GTR Godzilla. Old Celica. 350Z with a beautiful carbon fiber hood and some real nice wheels. 19 inches with nice gold Brembo calipers as well. Beautiful 350Z. Another Impreza. Real stunning. I love that carbon fiber hood. Stunning, man. Real nice 200 SX. It's got a Toyota sticker. It's got a 2JZ swap.
Get out.
Oh, 1JZ, sorry, yeah. That's quite funny.
Maakt dat tjoek-tjoek geluidjes. Sowieso. Tjoek-tjoek-tjoek.
Mitsubishi Eclipse. Mitsubishi Pontiac GTR. GTR. Okay, we've got some more cars down there. A lot of cars from the show. Let me see if I can get through there. So Yaris. Can't believe it.
Hoppakee, dat zijn meteen even de getallen die je wil horen. Je staat hier rustig met je handen in de zakken. Maar volgens mij moet je hier toch even handen vooruit de mouw steken.
So when the S2000 is done, this is where we're going to be displaying it for sure, man. The cars are so neat and so clean. There's Micky. And there's Purple Madness. What's up, Micky? How's it going, man? Seb.
Hey.
Finally get to meet you in the flesh, eh?
Yeah.
How's it going, man?
How are you?
I'm good, man. I'm good. Your car looks sweet, man.
Yeah,
badass
thanks.
wrap, eh?
Thanks.
Really decent, eh? And you bought the purple Civic as well?
Yeah.
Really neat, eh? The color of the purple. Gorgeous, man. There's Manuel's car, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
She's there.
Oh, sweet, man. Really
Nice to
cool,
meet
huh?
you.
Finally, right?
Yeah, finally.
Good weather, eh? Decided to come out and have some fun with us, eh?
Yeah, I love it. I love it.
For sure, man. For sure.
And a lot of cars.
Dude, the content's incredible, man.
Yeah.
So much to see, eh? I'm gonna take a walk and then I'll come back and chill with you guys. Yeah, man. Check this beautiful Subaru in orange with a beautiful carbon fiber hood, man. That is stunning. Another STI with blacked out headlights. There's Manuela, the owner of the purple Civic. Some GTRs. They're doing chip tuning, Go Eco chip tuning. Show of imports Nissan as well. Nice clean Supra. Let's go see what else there is to see. There's so many things to see. There's a whole paddock over here just for starlets, Toyota starlets. Can you believe it, man? Some nice Red Bull sunglasses over here, supporting, of course. Here's Bas's Supra.
En toen zag ik 22 graden.
So this is Supra Soup from Bas, and Lussa's purple Supra over here as well. This is being built and painted by Next Level Automotive from the ground up, from the chassis, the motor, everything. This car is making over 1,000 horsepower. It's one of the fastest Supras in the country at the moment. I think a bit of a turbo Rev Battle over here.
Ja, hier komen we stiekem wel voor, hè?
Here comes everybody to check out what's going on. Purple Supra Soup over there from Loes.
In het kader van alle dingen moet ik je weer door laten rijden.
Really cool 370Z. Look at that color, man. That is crazy.
Waar sta je met de
Nice RX-7.
Oh, dat kom je sowieso. Dat zit je helemaal goed. Beetje laag. Goede trein. We willen ook nog even één keer stiekem snel horen dan en dan gaan we ons allemaal weer verspreiden. Is dat een afspraak? Even hier voor jongens. Hebben jullie oren dicht? Dat wordt moeilijk, hè? Film. 3, 2, 1, go! Ja, maar de Aziatische markt, mooi! Is veel los hier. En dan komt er bijna uit. En het sumo gaat er weer in. Dankjewel voor de show. Geef me even een applaus.
Nice, real nice, man.
Je kan er als het goed is doorheen, ja.
Real cool.
Kijk, dit is leuk, jongens. Nou, dan gaan we met z'n allen weer even lekker in beweging komen. Mocht je dat zelf ook herrie maken, mocht je dat zelf ook iets bijzonders hebben, kom even langs met je bolide. Dan kunnen we daar kort en krachtig tijd van gebruiken.
This morning at 7 AM, you guys are at the car wash, I saw it, eh?
Hebben we een Circle Gold gezien?
Say hi to Bas, guys. It's a bit noisy today. Yes, Luz, say hi. How's it going? You good?
Good.
Long time no see, eh?
Yeah.
Beautiful weather, we finally got some sunshine, eh?
Yeah.
Finally.
It's gonna be
Yeah?
Ja, oh, jullie hebben een lekker patatje, hè? Is dat al, hè? Hey, dit is een goed idee, jongens. Het is namelijk vrij rustig bij de horeca. Pak een flesje eten, want straks staan we rijden, je weet het. Oh,
I haven't seen this many cars for a long
Ik
time.
probeer net wachten.
I think we're in the line of fire here. In the firing line.
Gonna walk around.
Yeah, I'm also doing a round. There's too many cars to film, man.
Good luck on that side.
Shit, I was just coming from that side, man.
Oké, jongens, ik ga een waarschuwing doen.
But you guys were here earlier,
Ik wil dat
already,
iedereen afstand houdt sowieso,
yeah,
maar
I
voor
just
jullie
got here
jongens,
now, like 20
voor
minutes ago.
jullie. Kijk, ik kom nog uit de tijd dat je hardcore feestjes had en we dachten dat dat slecht was voor het gehoor. Ja? Inmiddels zijn we erachter dat dit echt het meest vernietigende is voor je oor. Je hebt papa achter je staan, hè? Dus je kan papa je oren straks even voor je dicht houden. Zeker voor de jonge kinderen. Als je van je kinderen af wilt, moet je ze hier achter je uit laten zetten. Ja? Oké, we gaan het heel even doen, want daarna moet ik echt weer even verspreiden. Maar dit is de knallenmaker van allemaal. Hoe is die met je?
Alright guys, so this is the other half of the paddocks. I mean, this just cars here for days. I don't even know if we're gonna get all this in the video, guys. It's gonna be a real long video. I'm already filming for 20 minutes and I've hardly even got through half the content here. I mean, it's just silly because yeah, they go for Rev Battles again. so loud. That's just Honda Civic for you. Honda Civic for you. Whoa. Man, oh man, oh man. I've never seen, oh, I've seen a Bayside Blue R34 over here. I have not seen a Bayside Blue Skyline R34 here, but it's a GT and not a GTR. Still very nice. Imported by Sam Wu Performance. Right hand drive JDM. 2.5 GT DET motor. RB25 engine. Also a real nice Bayside Blue GTR 34 here. Also a GT. Guy's busy polishing his car, make it look mint. It looks clean as hell, man. Beautiful car.
Thank you.
Absolutely mint. Better than the day it came out the factory.
Thank you.
I like the spoiler as well. Not the standard spoiler, but it looks real neat. It's got some risers on there. It looks so good. Everyone's taking care of their cars, making sure they're spotless. That's what it's all about, guys. Taking care of your cars, making sure they look good for everybody to appreciate.
No, you knew my car.
Supra, 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 Supra. I mean, there's just so many. They just go on and on and on. There's just so many, yeah. They're all kind of one row of Supras. Morning, guys. Morning. How's it going? How's everyone doing? Check out this nice carbon fiber detail on the hood, yeah. Real cool.
Je je eigen auto opzetten en auto's voor anderen op bekijken van allerlei events en dingen op te staan. En echt speciaal voor auto's.
And there's Andre. He's nicely painted Blue Supra. How's your car doing, man? Sounds good, eh?
Yeah.
It looks good. The paint came out so nice, man. Still needs a bit of extra power there. You got space in the engine for a turbo?
Yeah, later.
Yeah, it's coming, man. It's coming. But the color came out real nice that Jan painted for Andre here, man. He was sanding this car for weeks, sanding every bit of paint off this car, getting all the dents out, getting everything out, all the imperfections. Jan made sure the metal was clean, man. It was crazy. I remember Andre coming out of the shop looking blue because all the paint on his face was covered covered on yeah, from all the sanding, man. I think we have to do that car next. Look at the paint coming off already, yeah? You gotta start sanding his car. You got one in your hand already. You just started for him, man. Man, it looks really good, eh? It looks really good, man. And I love the diffuser at the back, Andre. Yeah? Pretty decent, man. Real sick.
You're from the UK, aren't you?
South Africa.
South Africa?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
That's nice, you doing, man? Yeah, I've been living here for 3 years. My father's family is all Dutch, so
yeah.
I was born and raised in South Africa, and then decided to come over here where all the fun is, man.
Yeah, exactly.
For sure. Yourself, you Netherlands? Dutch?
Yeah, Dutch.
Yeah, for sure, man. Where do you live?
5 kilometers over here.
Oh, really close? You're in Oosterhout?
Geert-Redenberg.
Oh, I don't know that.
Similar.
Close enough, close enough. I'm in Purmerend in North Holland.
Purmerend,
so
yeah.
Bit of a drive, 1 hour.
Nice.
It was quite fun though. I enjoyed the drive. It's the best part, right?
Exactly. What did you drive?
I got a Honda Del Sol.
The Sol,
it's
nice.
Parked on the other side of the building there. But it's a real cool car, man. Yeah. I'm getting my S2000 built at the moment now with the guys at Next Level Automotive, so that'll be done. Hopefully next year I can come for the show.
Nice.
Building a wide body kit from Jay's Racing.
Alright.
So it's going to be the only one in Europe. It's going to be really sweet, man. It's taken 9 months for them to build the body kit and ship it from Japan. Should be arriving in the next month or 2. Yeah. I ordered it in January, man. Damn. 8,500 euros for a body kit.
Yeah, that's fucking
It's crazy. A long time, man. But it'll be worth it. It'll be the only one in Europe, so it'd definitely be worth it.
That's sick.
For sure, man.
Exactly.
I'm going to do a round and then I'll come back and catch up with you guys.
Yeah, sure.
Enjoy it, man. Yeah. There's a car I've not seen before. It's a Honda S660. What the hell? I have never seen that before. That is really interesting. It's a right-hand drive imported from Japan, so what do you know? I have not seen one of these before. That's the GD86 Real nice gold wheels. Those wheels are polished chrome wheels. Man, they're bright to look at. Got a beautiful blue, purple, pearlescent paint job with sparkles. Came out real nice. At Space86 Aero on Instagram. Real nice. Toyota 86 over there with some red trim. A lot of 86s here, actually, quite a few down there. Lexus is on the one side. More Supras. Supras for days, man. This is the only time I've seen this many Supras in my life. Green, blue, silver, orange, burnt orange color. I think this is the one that Jan also just finished painting because it was a horrible orange color and now it's been repainted. Also for sale. Very cool. If you want to phone them, there you go. Kids want to buy the Supra. Beautiful Celica, man, check it out. Also gorgeous with a convertible. Not seen a convertible Celica. So many cars here that you do not see on a regular basis. Guys got a releasable steering wheels put up in here, hold the hood up. Pretty sweet. Eclipse 8. Starlets, Suzuki Swifts. Swifts all the way down. Man, it goes all the way around here. Look at how many cars there are here today. This is crazy. Swift. I mean, damn. That's a lot of Swifts. Don't worry, there is an end to the Swift line. There are some other cars down there. It's just Swifts for now. Alright, we got a couple other cars over here as well. This one's quite interesting. It's got some horns over here for hooting. Can make some real nice music with the hooters. Marble headlights, check it out. Very interesting modification. Nice Hawkeye Subaru Impreza. Beautiful paint job here, probably a wrap. Got some 370Zs pulling in here. Real nice 370Zs. Toyota MR2. Turbo MR2. S2000. Nissan 200SX. Nissan SR20 motor. I must say, I haven't seen too many S2000s. Only the second one I've seen here today. Nice Mitsubishis over here. Eclipse, Outlander. I mean, that's a bit of a weird car to see here. Another Mitsubishi Eclipse. More Mitsubishis. I see they started off trying to get all the brands in one row, but that didn't really work out so well. Okay, we've got some more S2000s. Nice to see some more S2000s around. Although I see a cold air intake, I do not see any turbos or superchargers. How's it, guys? A lot of the guys from Apex Chasers. STI boxer motor for you, man. That's how it's done, baby. That's how it's done. Alright guys, so the battery ran out, so we got the charger out with the power bank, so hopefully we can continue filming for the day. So many cars, guys. I'm not sure where the battery went dead, so I'm going to start again and see if I can get all the cars in for you guys. I really like the Celica, man. Super cool, super cool. Carbon fiber hood as well. Check it out, baby. Sweet. Nice Celica with red wheels. Nissan Maxima. GTO Mitsubishi. Polka Subaru. Civic FK2. 350Zs. Another Maxima Gloria, I think. Is it a Gloria? There's a R33 replica. Silvia. Oh, it's a Skyline, sorry. Skyline R33. Paul Walker replica lookalike. Little blue racing stripes. Beautiful R34 with some scissor doors here. Yeah, we got a GTR 34. This one looks real stunning. Real stunning. Real nice carbon fiber hood. Lexus IS over there. Oh, Lexus LFA. Very nice. Let's get the LFA in over there. TRM R2. Really sweet car, this. Real sweet car. But the Lexus sounds real good. LFA. Love the wheels in this LFA. Super gorgeous. Real nice white interior, very clean. Beautiful, beautiful car. Nothing wrong with the LFA, absolutely beautiful. Oh, it's an LC500, not an LFA, sorry, my bad. LC500. Real stunning orange Nismo R34. Doesn't look like a real Nismo, but it guys definitely has some modifying work done. Look at where the exhaust outlet's coming. It's got some bucket racing seats in there. Dancio R33. You can follow him there, even though it's an R34. It says here B spec, but I don't know anything about that. I've never heard that before. So real nice spoiler here. Huge spoiler. Nice titanium pit tip. Stunning, stunning car. Here's an R33 for you. Oh, it's an R32, sorry. My bad. R33 over here. RB26 motor, really nice painted orange. Kind of matches the orange color of that car over there. But look at that twin turbo RB26 motor. That is real nice built. Polished chrome intake. Real nice aftermarket Toyota radiator. Nice cooling plate over here with carbon fiber on. Got some nice huge whale penis intakes here for the turbos. Gold wheels. Super sick auto. Real clean. Yes, this is purple sparkle Supra 5-speed 2JZ GE engine, and there's the big boy GTE motor from Bas. Check it out, man. That is one of the baddest Supras in this whole place, man. And of course, the only way to do it right-hand drive, man. JDM spec. Beautiful carbon fiber hood there. And of course the showpiece. Massive turbo 2JZ GTE engine. Built by Next Level Automotive. Painted by Jan. This is a real beautiful car, this. Real clean Silvia S13 GT86 wide body carbon fiber kit with a huge spoiler at the back there. Looks real badass. Real nice GT rear mounted spoiler there. Titanium tips. It's really sick. That beautiful grey, Nardo grey Silvia S15. Super clean. Another stunning wide body 370Z here as well. Fucking fat pipes coming out the back here. That looks really wild. Never seen anybody use a custom exhaust setup like that before. Really crazy. And look what's on the spoiler over there. Real nice wide body there. Look at the size of that dish of that wheel. That is huge. Huge. Bumper sitting there on the lip of the wheel. Real slammed into the air suspension there. Stunning interior. It's got an e-brake there, hydraulic e-brake for drifting. Super neat car this. Real stunning RX-7 over here. Beautiful blue color Supra RX-7. Super stunning. Another Silvia over here as well. GTR 34 down there. But this RX-7 is real gorgeous. You can see the engine in there with the strut bar. Real nice color, everything carbon fiber trims. Also a really nice Silvia. Mazda MPS. Fat pipes in the back there. 370Z again. R34 GT. Bayside blue V-spec. Real stunning car, that one. Stunning Mitsubishi Eclipse over here as well. Toyota MR2. Look at this thing. Beautiful, man. Absolutely. BF Goodrich radio RT ties on that thing. Beautiful. This is very neat as well. Wow. Rotary motor. What Mazda is this rotary? RX-4. Oh, it's RX-4. Wow. First Supra. Yeah, this rotary RX-4 is really cool. Check out the interior, all original Mazda rotary RX-4 motor, and they're real nicely built. K and air filters for the intakes. Honda Integra Type R. It's a blue Nismo. That's the one from Next Level with the Nismo kit. These cars here for days.
Is er niet deze motor op de blazer? Zojuist. Nee, gisteren. Ja, waarschijnlijk een andere keer, maar ik heb hem gisteren gemeten en toen was cilinder 6 4 was. Nice. Maar net met de Rev Battle deze. Oh, hartstikke vol weg.
Hey, mooi om even te shinen hier met je auto natuurlijk. De BB. Heel eerlijk, het lijkt natuurlijk een beetje, dan ga ik een vloek in de kerk met mijn Cube, weet ik. Maar dit zie je niet veel, hè? Hoeveel zijn er hier van in Nederland, denk ik? Ik ga het even mezelf makkelijk maken. Dan kan ik allemaal nee. Even kijken. Ja, wacht vriend. Ja, nu kan ik wel zeggen vriendinnen. Ja, nu is het is nu eigenlijk al, weet je dat ik weer, dan even verloofde ben je nu, hè? Ja, precies, je fiancé, dat zat even in mijn hoofd. Hey, bring me back, wat is dit baby? Hij komt uit Japan, hè?
Klopt, hij komt uit Japan, ja.
Want dat zie je ook aan, dat heb ik me vorig jaar naar me verteld, dus dan weet je meteen dat ik heb opgelet. Dat zie je ook aan het stuurwiel, toch?
Ja, als je het stuurwiel
en dat is de Amerikaanse of de Japanse? Ze moeten er langs, ze moeten opzij. Oh, er moet even iets. Kan je hem iets naar deze kant gooien, Micky? Ja, dan moet eerst de airride omhoog natuurlijk. Ja, even de pomp omhoog. Je moet even twee auto's op één auto erheen. Ja, het is een drive-thru die we hier vandaag hebben. Hou ook even onder de afstand van elkaar. Als een beetje aan de kant zit dat er een auto erheen komt, dan komt het helemaal goed.
Dus rij even hier dat kringetje in.
Ze rijdt het kringetje in. Ja, helemaal goed bij het tankstation. In de tijd dat het nog 4,53 was voor 10 liter. Ja, konden we maar terug, hè? Ja, dat was nog voor het kwartje verkocht zelfs, hè? Ja.
Very cool Del Sol, wrapped with the cannabis energy drink.
Blijft lopen, hè? Zou dit niet, hè? Ja, dat is een goed prijsmuziek of weten.
I just had a can. I just had a can from Luke. I got it from Luke already, man. I also have a Del Sol, so that's why. I have a black Del Sol, it's parked at the back. Golden Circle, Bas and Supra over here, with a huge turbo built from Next Level Automotive. Beautiful twin turbo, single turbo, 2JZ GTE motor. Purple paint here. On Loes's Supra. Blob eye. WRX. With a nice gold weave carbon fiber hood. Nice Hawkeye Subaru WRX. And then we've got a beautiful GTR 34 Nismo over there. Silvia S13 RX7 370Z GT86. Also with a really nice gold weave carbon fiber hood, wide body kit, and a beautiful Nardo grey S15 Silvia.
Gewoon standaard, maar dan al gewoon meteen gedaan. Ja, het is natuurlijk een vlaggenschrift.
Sorry, man.
Niks. Ja, dit is, vertel even wat meer over uit. Dit is de
Check out this crazy body kit. Peach colored, golden, pink, orange. Paint color wrap, carbon fiber, custom exhaust, twin outlets, titanium tips. Heat wrapped exhaust all the way around, custom fabricated. Beautiful RX-7 over here with a nice wide body kit as well. Nice carbon fiber pieces all over. Nice diffuser at the back. Carbon fiber trim in the back here, also on the window. Also a very neat Silvia.
Ja, vind je lekker als je aan het bellen bent. De auto met die knoppen zo lekker spelen. Dankjewel voor het showen van je auto. Yes,
Mazda 3 MPS with slicks.
Helemaal in plastic, dat moet het schoonhouden, hè?
370Z. And this is a very special Nismo R34 Amore, one of three.
Ja, dan gaan we naar de Lex. Ja, je zou het bijna vergeten.
V-spec. So R1 tuned concept engine. This is a very rare one of three Skyline R34s with an R tune, with a track timer in the middle, center console, Amore tuned Nismo R1 tune. Very, very special JDM import from Japan. Amore factory tuned. Very, very, very special Nismo. Got a couple of Mitsubishi Evos back here. R32. A Mazda RX-4 with a rotary. Original Toyota Supra over here. Nissan 300 ZX, also very rare. Nice R32 here. Another Subaru. Beautiful RevWorks body kit here, Supra. Very, very neat. Very, very neat Supra as well, the RevWorks kit. Beautiful carbon fiber cooling plates here on the front engine. Massive turbo there, 2JZ GTE engine. Grady intercooler on the front there. Nice intercooler piping through the brake ducts over there in the front. Huge splitter in the front here as well. Real nice TRD's rear spoiler. Some modified purple Aurus over here. A lot more cars on over here. Real beautiful cars here. You got a BB over here as well, imported from Japan, right-hand drive. Purple Civic. Real stunning cars here. Golden Circle for you here at GO Japan, Louwman's Toyota World. You got Godzilla over here, GTR 35, R33 from Show Off Imports, another Supra, Skyline R34, beautiful huge orange spoiler at the back there. What's up, Andre? Real nice drift car this. Another Skyline. Here's your Honda boys. Nice Integra, Type R. Beautiful built RB26 motor here. Twin turbo with huge whale penis intakes over here for the twin turbos. Nice gold wheels to go as well. Beautiful Nismo kit here for the 370Z. A lot of these cars here are built. Not much here which is stock standard. Everything here is built. Check this motor. SCI boxer motor. Also turbocharged. 200 SX. Another 300 ZX. Very, very cool, guys. What do you think of the video, guys? Give me a thumbs up and definitely subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, leave me a comment below. If you want to see more content, we have Japan Fest coming up in Assen in a few weeks on the 10th of October. So be sure to get subscribed and make sure you follow the video content for more coming this way.